First place and the golden tickets is 9072.
I've been cooking in these competitions for a little over a year, almost a year and a half now, and you know, each time I do this and come out here, the guys out here are really supportive and answering questions that you have. And today was the kind of, I don't know, I wasn't too sure about coming, made the trip. My first steak was a little under. My second one was just about there, wasn't too sure, but here I am, won first place, got my gold ticket to the World Cookoff. So you talk about you can't be more elated than I am. I'm just jumping in my skin right now.